Hello students, this is Amit from Red Team Hacker Academy. We are going to discuss memory forensics in this module. This is module 3rd. So let's start. So what is memory forensics? So it is sometimes referred as a memory analysis, and it refers to the volatile memory also for the computers. Like memory forensics is your RAM. So whatever you do on your machine that goes into RAM, even if you opening a browser, even if you are downloading some data, some strings, whatever you are doing, some processes running, some network connections, some registry hives, whatever the information is going to be changed or is in data in transit, so that is going to be in your RAM. So you can get these details and make your investigation conclusive, and you can find the artifacts from the memory. So there are a lot of other things that you can get from the memory. So we will learn these things, that how we can get these things from the memory analysis in our next slides. So memory is all about our volatile data, like it's a RAM, hyperfile, page file, because whatever couldn't be handled by a RAM, that write into the hyperfile. And you, most of them would be aware of the paging system, that how it works. So page file also consists some of the volatile data, so you can retrieve from that also. So let's move to the another slide for more clarity. So what is a memory dump? Basically, memory dump is like a snapshot or a capture of a RAM that for the specific time that what was running, and what details you could get from there is like currently running processes, your terminated processes, and your active connections, your username, passwords even, and SAM file, memory mapped files, your process environment block, your malicious EXEs, your fileless malwares, and many more. So you can get these details from memory. So what travels in memory? So basically everything travels in memory, like open files, malware, Windows registry, encryption keys, network related information, password, etc. So there are a lot of other things that which travels into the memory. So role of the memory forensics in malware analysis is like best place to identify the malware and collect the evidence that cannot be found anywhere, while less malware could only be found in RAM. And you can dump that particular malware for your reverse engineering or for deeper dive analysis. So these are the steps for memory analysis, like we'll acquire the memory and analysis and evaluate and then reporting. So basically there are two types of memory capture tools, like hardware based and software based. So there are some of the hardware tools are available that you can plug your RAM. That is practically not done in most of the cases. There is a term called cold boot attack. So that is being performed like liquid nitrogen. You have to spray on your laptop or desktop RAM, then it will freeze the charge on the RAM itself, and then remove the slot and add it to the hardware tool. Then you will be able to acquire. But it can only be done on a lab environment, so it's not that easy. And software based acquisition is like you can use FTK Major, Magnet, Belgasoft. There are several other tools available that you can acquire the RAM via software tool. So let's move to the tool. Firstly, we'll acquire, then RAM, and then we'll analyze with the tool. We are going to demonstrate FTK measure for acquisition of RAM. So let's move to the lab environment. We'll be discussing this thing in our next video. Thank you.